For the first life hack, you will need some modeling clay and a box from Sparklers. Cut off part of the box. Cut it. Cover the box all over with bright self-adhesive fabric. Pinch off a little piece of each of the clay colors. Form a brick. Draw a design in the form of lines. Place the modeling clay in the box. Fasten a strip of adhesive fabric on the box. Now your straight-A student Barbie has a whole box of clay. And now take a cap from a disposable syringe. Pour glitter in it. Fill the cap with glycerin. Seal it with hot glue. Insert an LED light into it. Mask the base of the bulb with a piece of a shiny foam rubber sheet. The teacher is so happy with her new laser pointer that she even forgot to assign any homework. We should definitely make her happier more often. Next, cut out figures like this from a sheet of white cardboard. Using the same template, cut a piece of foam rubber. Attach the foam rubber layer to the cardboard with hot glue. Now you need a piece of thin leather. Wrap all the pieces in it. Use hot glue. Sew some black beads to it. Let's get 2 sticks. Apply hot glue and fasten them to the backs of the pillows. Glue the pillows together. Assemble armrests from sticks. Fasten them to the chair. Now you need 2 sticks and an old toy car. Take out the wheels with pliers. Glue the sticks crosswise and fasten a wheel on each end. Insert another stick into the spring. Attach the seat. The result is a super comfortable leather chair on wheels. Sitting on a chair like this is wonderful. Next, you need straws, a plastic lens from a Lego set, a wire, and a metal piece like this. Cut the straws. Bend the wire. Fasten the straws to it with hot glue. Take out the metal center with horns. Fasten the plastic Lego part on it. Hot glue the lens. Fasten the wire with binoculars on top. Wow! There's a new product in the biology room! The latest model of the microscope is the best gift you can imagine! Finally, Barbie can take a closer look at the incredible world of science. For the next life hack, you need a Ziploc bag. Cut out a square like this. Glue the edges with a hot glue gun. Decorate the bag with some sequined fabric. The result is a glamorous pencil case with a comfortable zip clasp. Barbie can put all her pens and pencils into it. And also, the new case can be used as an anti-stress device. The sparkly sequins perfectly soothe your nerves and cheer you up. For this life hack, you need a photo frame. Disassemble and take out the plywood backdrop. Prepare some gypsum and some black paint. Combine the ingredients. Add water and stir. Using a paintbrush, apply the resulting chalkboard paint on the plywood. Make short, sharp strokes. Cover the board with an even, dense layer so that there are no gaps left. Let the plywood dry and then put it back into the frame. Now you need colored chalk and a box cutter. Cut off a piece of chalk. Miniaturize it. You should have really tiny chalk. Make a stand for chalk from a flat wooden stick. Use the hot glue gun to attach it to the frame. Cut off a piece from a dish sponge. Now it is an eraser for the chalkboard. Lay out the chalk and the eraser on the stand. The main school item is ready. Who will go to the blackboard? Who will go to the blackboard? It's the teacher! And now she's writing the homework on it. For this school craft, you need a brush and a Lego block. Cut off the top of the brush. paint in the grooves of the Lego. Now your young artist has her own palette with paints and soft brushes. She's a prodigy, ready to create her first masterpiece. For the next life hack, glue the boxes over with a yellow foam rubber board. Glue them together with a hot glue gun. Mark the location of the door. Cut through the lines. Attach Velcro with a drop of glue. Glue the second part of the Velcro on the door. Cut out square windows. Decorate with a ribbon of a shiny black foam rubber board. Fasten round red lights. And parking lights on the cabin. Decorate the bus with black foamerin and paint the door. The final touch, fasten big black wheels. The school bus is already beeping under the window and is ready to deliver the student to the country of knowledge and exact sciences. The next life hack, you will need a closable box and a small plastic container. Take pieces of self-adhesive fabric. Fasten them on the box. Now you need wooden sticks of different shapes. Break the sticks into pieces. Hot glue the sticks to the inner corners of the box. Fasten flat sticks to the bigger box. Glue them at an angle. Attach the table and chair together with a large flat stick. Glue a stand for school supplies on the countertop. It turned out a comfortable school desk with the correct slope of the tabletop. And you can fold writing materials in the open box. Sitting at the desk is so comfortable that the lesson will fly by. What can we make from this paper gift bag? Trim the package with scissors. Decorate it with bright polka dots paper. Hot glue Velcro under the valve. Glue the straps on the reverse side. Decorate with a felt heart. A stylish yellow backpack will raise Barbie's mood and inspire her to get only A's. In this life hack, we will use a toy kaleidoscope. Take out all the details. Insert a flashlight. Fasten the flashlight lens with a hot glue gun. Decorate with a piece of polka dot self-adhesive fabric. Next, you need 3 coffee stirrers. Secure the sticks with hot glue. Build a tripod out of them. Fasten the flashlight to the tripod. Decorate the telescope with blue stars. Barbie can't wait to start studying astronomy. The planets of the solar system, satellites, constellations, shooting stars. How interesting and informative! For the next life hack, you will need crayons. Cut off the tip of a crayon. Grind up the crayon to make it smaller. Burn the edge, making the wax smooth. Do the same with the rest of the crayons. Now you need a small cardboard box. Cover it all over with colored paper. Crop part of the box. Bend the edges. Glue on a logo. Put the crayons in the box and close it. Now Barbie is totally prepared for a drawing lesson. This time, you'll need an ordinary notebook and a sheet of bright scrap paper. Apply the piece of paper to the notebook cover. Place it so it captures the notebook clip. Trace over it. Cut it out. Apply Elmer's glue. Glue on a colorful cover. And label it with a black marker. A miniature notebook for Barbie is ready. Quick and easy. And now we will tell you how to make bookmarks for all of Barbie's notebooks. You need magnetic tape and self-adhesive fabric. Cut the magnetic tape into rectangles. Trim the edge in the form of an arrow. Make 2 identical parts. Put them on the self-adhesive fabric. Cut off the excess. Fold it and get a nice magnetic bookmark. Put the bookmarks in the notebooks. Due to the magnetic base, the bookmarks won't get lost and Barbie will quickly find the page she needs. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new life hacks and ideas for creativity and decorations.